Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Do you like altering notebooks? Did you ever try to change the notebook cover? Stay with me and I will show you how to embellish the cover in few steps. The notebook I have from Hobbycraft, it was in the sale, and I know that the Hobbycraft at the moment has a sale for sketchbooks as well, which will be great for altering. The notebook has a little image on the front, but this doesn't really bother me because I'm applying white gesso on the front and on the back. The notebook has really nice fabric feel and really nice texture, and the gesso will make it even more visible. So like I said, I'm starting with white gesso, adding it irregularly, the most in the center and then less towards the edges. I am going to keep the decorations to minimum this time. I've got few pieces of lace, a frame and couple of screws that these are air dry clay elements, and they were made with the fiber molds. On top of the frame I'm adding a chipboard heart. The heart has 2 layers and I'm going to emboss the top layer with white embossing powder before gluing them together. I always try to link some of the products, at least some, I'm using, so if you are curious, just check the description box below the video. For attaching all elements to the cover, I'm going gel medium, and it is good to leave the composition to dry for about an hour. You can use the heat gun, but I prefer if it dries naturally. To finish off my project, I'm using white gesso. I want to blend everything together. One of the lace was slightly shiny, so the gesso will mute it. And I'm going to add few pearls and just a little bit of glitter here and there. And that will be all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please leave me a comment and have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!